Hi, this is the weekly update for Mr. Fix's science class for the week of November 12th. Okay, so we went over homeschool connection number 2 from the previous week, and we kind of used the sensor challenge to kind of show how a object can roll down an incline that's slightly elevated at pretty much a constant speed. So we use the sensor to kind of determine and prove that. We then updated page 16 of the reference notebook. I'll show you more of that a little bit later. All right, we did lesson 1.4 of force and motion. I'm not going to go through this because there's a video walkthrough that you can watch if you're absent. I will go over homeschool connection number 3, though, the CAMI Schoology assignment. All right, so students had to share their ideas about force and motion, so they had to choose what ideas they agree with about their thinking of force and motion, and then they had to explain their thinking. Then they had to ask a person at home what they thought and paraphrase their thing, practice the skill of paraphrasing to explain in their own words what that other person's thinking was on those ideas. So that was due on Wednesday and scored. Then on Wednesday, we did Force and Motion Slide Deck 1.5, and we did the warm-up and the sim force strength velocity change. We didn't get to modeling force and velocity. We're going to have to do that later. And again, we updated page 16 of our bulletin board notebook, and I'm going to go over that in a little bit. Then on Friday, we did books and paper activity and mission control video. So let's look at the update reference notebook. All right, so again, we have a unit question, how do forces affect motion? Again, this all gets written down in page 16 of the reference notebook. The students should have all these ideas that we've covered so far. We add a little bit to this day by day. So chapter 1 questions, what caused the pod to change direction? Our key concepts so far are a force is required to change the velocity of an object, and how an object changes velocity depends on the direction of the force exerted on that object, and the stronger force can cause a greater change of velocity, and we have these vocabulary words so far as well. All right, so that's the weekly update for science this week. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.